Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto E15, and today I will show you how we can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, hold your power button and volume up at the same time, and when you have your boot options you want to hold power off. This will change into reboot to safe mode, which you will confirm by selecting OK. And as you can see, we're now in safe mode, in which only the pre-installed applications will function, so any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled. So, with that out of the way, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.